Software engineering is a rapidly growing field, with job opportunities expected to increase by 21% over the next decade. But what does it take to be a successful software engineer? In this video, we'll explore the essential skills needed to excel in this field. From technical skills to communication and collaboration, we'll cover everything you need to know to become a successful software engineer. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to take your career to the next level, let's dive in and explore the skills you need to succeed in software engineering. First and foremost, a successful software engineer must have strong technical skills. This includes proficiency in programming languages, data structures, algorithms, and software development methodologies. Software engineers must also have a strong understanding of testing and debugging techniques to ensure the software they develop is of high quality. Additionally, software engineers must stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends in the industry to remain competitive and innovative. But technical skills alone are not enough. Successful software engineers must also possess strong communication and collaboration skills. Effective communication and collaboration skills are essential for software engineers to work effectively in a team setting. Software development is a collaborative process, and software engineers must be able to work well with others to ensure the success of a project. This includes the ability to clearly communicate ideas, listen actively to feedback, and provide constructive criticism to team members. Software engineers must also be able to work independently and manage their time effectively to meet project deadlines. But communication and collaboration skills are not just limited to working with team members. Software engineers must also be able to effectively communicate with clients and stakeholders to understand their needs and requirements. Software engineering is all about solving problems, and successful software engineers must have strong problem-solving skills. This includes the ability to analyze complex problems, break them down into smaller components, and develop effective solutions. Software engineers must also be able to identify and fix bugs in their code, as well as troubleshoot issues that arise during the development process. Problem-solving skills are also essential for working effectively in a team setting, as software engineers must be able to collaborate with others to find solutions to complex problems. Successful software engineers must be able to think creatively and outside the box to develop innovative solutions that meet the needs of clients and stakeholders. Finally, successful software engineers must be committed to continuous learning. The field of software engineering is constantly evolving, and software engineers must stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends to remain competitive. This includes reading industry publications, attending conferences and workshops, and participating in online forums and communities. Successful software engineers must also be willing to experiment with new technologies and tools, and be open to learning from their mistakes. By committing to continuous learning, software engineers can stay ahead of the curve and remain valuable assets to their teams and organizations. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to take your career to the next level, remember that the key to success in software engineering is a combination of technical skills, communication and collaboration skills, problem-solving skills, and a commitment to continuous learning.